Hey, Mike Healy here, and I wanted to see if this place was real. So I came down to the Lambo giveaway event down in Austin, and I happened to be staying overnight in Waxahachie, and then we drove up to Mansfield. And this is the newest TexitCoin mining facility being installed. And these are just some of the stuff. This is the cooling unit, believe it or not, that this massive thing right here. like you can see how big it is, and I'm not super big myself, but pretty crazy. They've already got the ones that they've been testing or working. You got the ant miners over here. You got the fog hashing going on here. So everything's starting to be installed. And then over here, this is the one that they already put together, running all the tests on it, doing everything. This one right here. And you can kind of go up close to that right there. You can see it's liquid cooled, which is cool. And you can actually stick your hand in there and not get electrocuted, which is kind of crazy. And then I got my so
say hi.
My brother-in-law Ray, who was the first person I sent to, where did I send you to? McKinney? I sent him to McKinney to make sure this thing was real long time, 6 months ago. And then that's his wife Charmin. And then this is Daryl Wilson. Daryl's out of Europe by the Dallas area, right?
That's correct.
Yeah, he's got some miners too. And then Jay was the second person I ever got a phone call with.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, you were the second one. It was Terry and I got on the phone with Mitchell Tucker. And then you got on the phone with Terry, said he had somebody else talk to him. Jay's one of the original miners, got in, tested it, stuff like that. I'll probably do an interview with him. Number 20, you're the 20th guy in this thing? Oh my gosh. Get video footage. What are these things right here?
These are oil. This is the oil.
These are the oil that the stuff goes in?
They're submerged in.
Okay. And Stace, get my wife Stacy's behind the camera, by the way. I'll show you a picture of her because she's hot. But way back there, we got all the other equipment and things like that. So all this stuff. Oh yeah, give it to Ray and let him give us an aerial photo of what we got going on. Oh, that's the juice, right? That's the juice, and it's
these two big machines
running. Okay, they're going to be someplace else. Okay, got it.
They had the square footage, so they put them in here.
Very cool. Very cool.
Stacy?
My wife Stacy.
She's
So
the taller of the two.
she is. I married up physically, and so all right, take that and we'll finish up here. We'll wrap it up. So anyhow, so you can kind of see the project's working. They've got multiple facilities now. Where are we at, Jay? Right now we're in
Mansfield.
we're in Mansfield. Victoria's the other one.
We're staying in Mansfield.
Mansfield right now. That's where we're at right now, testing it out. So nobody knows we're here. We kind of snuck in. Had to go through security. They cuffed me up, put against the wall, frisked me, stuff like that. Undisclosed location is where we're at, to be honest. So, but yeah, it looks like it's a real project going on, and we just topped, as the time of me making this video, company just topped $100 million in sales and miners sold. So pretty huge. So I want to check this out.